Hi guys, since we have already made a few videos talking about one Ionos or just Ionos as a hosting provider, why not appraise the web code and dive into what the Ionos website builder has to offer? Is it a modern user-friendly tool with affordable pricing or something you should skip entirely and run to another option? All these questions and more will be answered in my Ionos website builder review. Anyone for everybody, as we will start this Ionos review by looking at the very fast part of building your website. Choosing a good looking template. Ionos does not go wild with its template, though there are only a handful of them. The design here are clean and tailored for business or portfolio need. That said, creatives are not left out. There are full colorful modern looking template as well. I also appreciated that you can preview how template will look on a phone or tablet before making your choice. You have probably noticed the gain tags at the top that keep scamming AI. So let's look at what the Ionos AI website builder offer. It work with prompts, so we can enter a description and then select a tone. After this, their quick setup of color fonts and your website info, then we get quite a good looking selection of design. Now, not if every grant generated template is the winner, so you might want to play around with the prompts and setup. Overall, I have to say that I am presently surprised by the style of the template and the modern approach with AI integration. It's plus for Ionos. You have the main menu on the left with all you need: a market, web editor, e-commerce and email marketing. I have to give a small bonus point for the easily accessible analytics. However, the app market could use more plus apps. Right now its many offer translator and booking add one. So while it's not the best website builder for small business, it's still a solid choice for landing page, portfolio, or local business site. Next, let's dive into website editing before exploring the other tools available. If we go to the dashboard and click edit website, we get to the editor. It's an interesting approach there. I say quite unique. The most attention grabbing feature in the preview, which show a similar version of your site while scrolling. Quite a neat idea. The content tab allowing you to mess with a website structure, editing pre-made selection and rearranging them. However, users are no drag and drop control or individual element placement. The editor creates you with a rather unusual design approach. If you navigate to selection setting, then to element and activate the modern, you will be able to more move element freely, similar to Wix or Hostinger. As for the individual element you can add, the selection is not extensive, but its tradition in an interesting design choice. Switching modern does not change the entire editor, is only effective the aspect selection you are working on. This mean you can make drag and drop selection with more straightforward or made option. On one hand, you need to activate the drag and drop mode for each selection individually. If you want to use it across your entire site, you can use AI with any text element by simple doubling clicking on it. This bring out the standard word editor option and an AI helper. You can also improve text based on tone, but you cannot really give any other parameters here. Continuing with the theme, you can create an image with AI. If you go to replace any image currently, you can only enter a prompt. There are no reference image or style option, and the quality is more cartoonish than real, so I do not know how much I would recommend it using it. A better thing is the Iona's stock picture that offer realistic looking royalty free image, so you do not need to worry about license on other stuff overall. While there are some integration decision, the Iona's website builder editor feel and control like a modern beginner friendly tool. Everything else here is a quite self-explanatory. This style tab allow you to customer color, fonts and other small options. The page tab lets you customize the structure of your site or add new page, and of course the shop is for product management. Alright, let's answer the question: is Ionas good as a website builder or should go elsewhere? To be fair, it's surprisingly good on modern tool with the free trial and even a $1 a month plan. While it does have a few odds design choose and could benefit from more design option or variation, it's still a solid choice. It may not be the best website builder, but definitely a tool ID recommended for beginners. So give Ionas a shot and don't forget choose discount link to save some sweet cash. Thanks for watching for my Ionas website builder review.